Hi viewers, today I am going to explain you how to use a different syntax that is commonly used in a LaTeX while preparing the LaTeX document, that is a slash enumerate slash begin enumerate function, which is used to list the text, list some of the most eye-catching text in your documents. So here so you can see that the text which exactly looks in Word documents I copied here. So but when I execute this file, how it is put into the PDF documents, it looks like this one. It's a straight line, so it's a single line. But if I want to make each countries in a different new lines, I have to use slash double slash on at the end of this everywhere to make it into a new line. And now you execute this one. Yes, it is arranged, it is listed, but I want to list it in a number wise, so I have to use different syntax. Let us undo this one. So instead of that one, I have to use slash begin enumerate function. So automatically slash end enumerate function will come here. Then I have to copy this here, then again slash item China, again slash item Japan, again slash item India. Now execute this function. Yeah, it is, see this, it is number wise, it is well arranged. So use this slash begin enumerate function to list your text in a number wise manner, and you can nest this function just like suppose I want to again I want to enumerate some of the states, the best states in the United States. So for that I have to use slash begin enumerate. So again the enumerate will also come. This is California, and slash item Texas, and here I want to list some of the top cities in the China. For that I have to use slash begin enumerate. Then I have to use Shanghai, and slash item Beijing, and for Japan again slash begin enumerate slash item Tokyo, and slash item Osaka. And for India slash begin enumerate Delhi slash item Mumbai. So let us execute this function. Yeah, see this. So some of the top states in the United States are nested under the United States. It is numbered as A to B, and here for China, the Shanghai and Beijing, and for Japan similarly of Tokyo and Osaka, India, Delhi and Mumbai. In this way we can segregate the things, and we can number the things. Again we can do many things, and try using this slash begin enumerate syntax for listing and numbering your things whenever you use a large document. So LaTeX is especially used for large document. If your number of pages will increase to some certain range, it is best to use LaTeX than Word documents. Thank you.